West. Welcome to the video where we're going to talk about introducing yourself. Now, the one reason why I think this is so important is because you want to come across as an authority on your topic. You don't want to spend a lot of time on it, but basically giving a title, what you do, that helps. Like for instance, if it were me, I would say, hi, I'm Ron Desi, CEO of VideoFi and creator of this website, videoprofessor.com. That is enough, just something to say, I'm a CEO, I have a company, and I created this website. So though the person may not say, oh, you've been quoted on CNN and USA Today and all these news sources, you don't need to be. You just have to establish yourself as an authority, someone who, and to be completely honest with you, most people who have a business, even if it's a small one, automatically have a certain authority in that area. So if I owned a hardware store and I said, hi, I'm Bob Jones, I'm president, owner of ABC Hardware located on Main Street, right there, and if your video is going to talk about anything hardware related, you've earned credibility just with that statement. So again, it's just a statement to introduce yourself, or if you have an employee on camera, so if it's an employee that's going to be introducing, your employee is introducing himself or herself. So basically that's all there is to introducing yourself. It's to become more warm and fuzzy with the camera, to establish a connection, as well as giving yourself a sense of authority to the audience so they see that you're a credible source for the rest of the video and what you're going to be talking about. So again, it doesn't have to be that long, but I think it's an important part. So that's it for introducing yourself. Onwards to the next video, which is we're going to talk about the pain. The pain is what I think is one of the most critical parts of this specific call to action video. So let's go ahead to the next video. See you later.